I'll now proceed to my eyebrow makeup, my eyes. Okay, first apply this. I cannot see, so I'll take this mirror with me now, and then apply like that. First, apply upper part. You draw a line, upper part. Nako, nag-go over na. Kasi mahina mata, no? You see? O yan. Sabi nga nila, kaminsan, ano daw, blusang itim daw ang eyebrow sa kapal. Okay? Yan. And this one again, the other side. But sometimes, i-line mo yung upper, i-line mo yung lower, i-line mo lower, and then like that, and then like that, to make it kapal naman, visible. Then, I don't know if it's already pantay, I'll try to pantay it and spread this one. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's alright with me. I'm so simple only. I don't go for heavy makeup, I'm not used to that kind of makeup, the heavy one. So now, I will now spread with the comb. Okay, I have a comb here with other eye makeup. You see this one? Okay, I'll spread it like that, so that hindi makapal. It will be evenly spread. Yan. Okay. Maybe it's alright now, I'm not an artist, Let me see. Am I satisfied? Okay na? Maybe. It's well lighted kasi kaya hindi mo makikita. Okay? I will just put on some finishes to make it even here. Makapal here side, and then this one. Okay. Maybe it's also that will be alright now. Okay. Wait. Spread para hindi makapal. Okay, maybe it's alright. Okay na, ayaw mo na siya. Kung banking yan o hindi. It's alright because I cannot see also. So you see that what I'm trying to say? It says in the advertisement, it will straighten your hair, but don't believe it. It's not true. But sayang lang, so ano na lang, gamitin na lang. Sayang yung pera. But anyway, try to. Okay. Then, after this, I'll go to my other makeup. It is also a Revlon. Okay. Revlon. Alam mo, pag go to the mall, let yourself be makeup. You go to the makeup department, and they will make over. And of course, if they do that, you'll buy the product, some of the products, but not all. Nasa iyo na yan kung gusto mong bibili. But for me, that's why I was able to buy this one, Revlon, the lipstick, the two kinds of lipstick, the eyebrow, the pencil, all Revlon. And then, so now, I'll do this. You know, I was once before a beauty counselor of Avon. Way back when I was still teenager or something like my college days. I used to sell beauty products for them, that's Avon. So I'm also earning while schooling that time. Okay, so here, first, since, you apply first the white. Your upper eyelids, yan. It will highlight your eyes. Okay. Okay. And then, wipe. Kasi you'll put another color. Mamaya na natin spread. Okay, now I'll get the brown. Okay. Alam mo, pag may nagme-makeup, pinapanood ko kung paano mag-apply ng circular motion. Like that. They do this. Apply like that. Another one for the others. O, ganyan. They apply like that, oh. Circular motion. Then I'll see if is it alright. I'll get the mirror so I can really, yan. Kulang ang lightning ko kaya hindi ko makita. Yan. Okay. Now I'll wipe the brush. Then put on another two-tone eyebrow. Okay. The light one here, I'll just place it at the middle. Like that. Two color. Okay. So again, you wipe it again. Iisa lang kasi lip brush, ang brush, eyebrow brush ko. Andun. Yan, tinatamad ko ng kunin. I was also once upon a time seller of Mary Kay products. So, mahilig talaga ako sa marketing. Kaya, yan. Now, some also says na it's really nice to put a white here. So, I'll take a white here. Ayan. And then, dito sa gilid ng eyes. You put emphasis. Dati, yung liquid ba? Ganda yung liquid nun. Nung panahon ko. It takes skill to apply. May pag-ganong-ganong pang anong araw eh. Okay. That's alright. That's simple as me. Alright na yan. Okay, after my eyebrow makeup, it's alright na. I already satisfied with that. Now, we go now to this one. O, yan. Para ma-highlight. Hindi ko masyado makita. Okay. It's okay na. It's alright with me na. Now, let's go to my, unruly hair. Unruly hair is scary hair. This is how I describe my hair. It's inborn. Okay? Pero mga anak mo, mga nagmana, si Suzette and Ronel. The others are straight. Slight lang sikat. Kunting curl lang, pero straight din. Lalo na si Leia, straight. Si Jenny, straight. But me, pero may apos, masana sa male. Si Riker, kulot. Oh, sino pa? Joaquin, kulot. So, yun ang minana sa akin. Kulot sila. Anyway, meron din na babagay, meron hindi. Let me see. Now, I'll go to my cheekbone. Okay? Here's my brush. And here's my blush on. Yeah. Anybody can donate some products. So, iba-vlog ko yun. Advertise ko yun. Kung okay ang kanilang products, lalo yung pampaputi ng mukha. Gusto ko rin pumuti. Okay, I have all the time now. Pag bibili kasi ako, nasasayangan ako ng pera, ng gastos. So anyway, I'll do that. If I have a lot of money, I'll buy everything I want. Pag nabenta ko na yung aking lupa sa Tuguegarao. Okay. Pero as of now, wala pa. Okay? So, i-ano ko na lang, itik ko na lang kasi mawawala din mamaya yan. Kasi mamaya, we will go to Cordon for a birthday, attending to June celebration of the Pioneers and Retirees group. So, my dear, I have pala YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share, and follow. Okay. This will be uploaded there. So, stay tuned to my channel. I still have only maybe less than 20 subscribers. I hope you will also subscribe. Help me out. I need your support. So, I will transform now from a doctor to a blogger. Pwede ba yon? With your support, of course. Thank you. Now, I finished already my blush on. And then, one by one, not yet. I will not put pa kasi i-show ko may ano. And then, one by one, I'll polish it with my, like that. Ay, not yet. Was not able to put on one. Here. Parang ano lang yan. Oo nga pala, yung pampatangos ng ilong. It's alright. Ay, konti naman tangos ilong ko. Okay na yan. Pilipino tayo. Talagang ganun ang ilong. So, no need mo. Okay. Now, what will be my, I have several lipstick here. But now, I have several colors of lipstick, but I would like to use where's the other one? Maybe the pink one, or the maroon, or the nude color. Here na lang. I cannot find the other one. I don't know where is it now. Here. May kuto yata ko. Here, put on my Revlon lipstick. Nude color. I don't have a lip liner. Maybe I will buy one. Like that. Did you see that? Okay. Ayan. What's the color of this Is Revlon din ito? Revlon. I bought it at there was a time when I buy medicine at Watson. Diba? There are some areas of makeups. So I was able to buy all of this because they did a makeover for me. Then nakakaya naman na hindi bumili. Paturo akong pa-makeup lalo na sa eyebrow. So I put it on my para hindi mawala. It's time to organize your things so that when you find them, it's all in the bag. Okay, here. My bag. Makeup bag. And my hair, lagay ko na rito. So, that's all, folks, for today. I hope you're gonna like my upload today. How I perform my makeover over my face. I know you are better than me, but it's all me. It's just simple as that. Thank you, and good morning.